YFQ-II series Flexo ink corrugated cardboard printing slotting machine. It can complete the corrugated cardboard printing, slicing corner, slotting, ruling line, slicing edge, and other process, and which can be configured punching hole, hand clamps device. Its printing slotting units adopt electric separation, automatic lock, separate pneumatic positioning, which can make the original adjust size unchanged, ensure printing slotting position unchanged. The machine adopts pneumatic lifting printing plate, pneumatic supplying ink, and automatic distributing ink. Electric freeze adjustment device. The machine in running or stopping condition can be adjusted to 660 degrees. The model is also equipped with cardboard dusting brush, which can effectively remove the dust on the surface of the cardboard, improve the quality of printing. It is equipped with electronic counter and can accurately control the cardboard printing quality. The models adopt a single board manual feeding with new appearances and easy to operate, clear, accurate printing, and quick drying, etc. Main models 970 type, 1370 type, 1700 type, 2200 type, 3000 type, etc. The design speed is 60 to 80 pieces per minute. The thickness of the cardboard is 3 to 11 mm. Overprint precision for double color is minus plus 0.5 mm. 3 color plus minus 0.75 mm. 4 color plus minus 1.0 mm.